Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Capricorn. Capricorn people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. So Capricorn people, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, okay? Okay, so we have 8 of Swords. This is your current energy, Capricorn. Okay, so Capricorn people, are you guys feeling stuck somewhere in life? Are you guys feeling uh, emotionally attached somewhere? Okay, I feel that you guys are into your own comfort zone. You don't want to break that. You don't want to move out of that. You don't want to see what is going to be there for you in life. Okay, perhaps you have been uh, through many difficult times in life. Perhaps you must have seen so many good and bad phases. I feel that you must have seen a lot of bad phases in life. Okay, now you are in the position that you can't trust anyone. Plus you feel that if you plan to move out from that particular zone, okay, or from particular energy, then something great or something, I mean, something disaster will take place. So you are little afraid. Okay, you are afraid of change. You are afraid of taking action. You are not being I mean, you are afraid to be a free soul. Okay, you feel that the moment you will start thinking about your own freedom, that from that time onwards your bad time will start. But that's not the case. You feel that there must be so many people around you that who will judge you. You are really scared about people's opinion. You are really scared about society's opinion towards you. But I feel that you should break that chain. I feel that you should break that energy, and I feel that you should move out from this energy as soon as, I mean, as fast as you can. Okay, because at the end of the day, nobody is going to save you. It's you who has to save yourself. There is no one to save you, man. You need to save yourself all alone. Okay, you need to open your eyes. You need to cut these threads on your own. You need to just move out from this place as fast as you can. It's better to take action right now, okay, before it's too late. Okay, so whatever your concerns are, that oh my god, if I'll take this decision, what is XYZ is going to think about me, or if I'll take that decision, what is XYZ is going to think about me. Okay, you are really afraid that how people will react on your XYZ decision, how people will demotivate you, that oh my god, you are doing such thing, why are you doing such thing, you are just wasting your time, money and efforts. So you are more scared about other people's opinion, I feel. Okay, but that's not the case. At the end of the day, you are the only responsible person for your own growth, for your own success, for your own expansion, for your own failure too. Okay, so please don't waste your time, don't waste your life, don't waste your energy, efforts for the sake of society's opinion. Okay, just listen to your heart. Whatever it is saying, it's saying completely true. Okay, what you need to do is right now just cut these ropes and open your eyes and just move out from this energy. Don't be scared. Okay, on the other hand, we have King of Pentacles. This is your partner's current energy. Capricorn, your person is somebody who feels that they are the king. Okay, they must be king. They have a lot of blessings into their life in terms of material things, in terms of finances, in terms of bank balance, property and all that. Okay, but at the end of the day, they have something missing from their life. What is that? They have home, they have everything. Okay, they have abundance in their life, they have money, they have material things there into their life, but they don't have somebody with whom they can share their heart. They don't have somebody with whom they can share their feelings, their emotions, their concerns, their fears, their worries. Okay, their good experiences, their bad experiences. So this person is projecting themselves as they are the king, but deep down into their heart they are completely alone. They are uh, eagerly waiting for somebody, okay, who can come and talk to this person, who can come and ask that, hey, are you doing okay, are you doing well, even though you are king, but still you are human, okay. You have, you also have your own doubts. You have, you must have your own insecurities, you must have own your fears, okay. So projecting be a king, it doesn't mean that you, this person doesn't have their own issues, okay. This person must have lot of issues right now into their life, but they are the one who are not allowed to take who are not allowed to you know um, to say those emotions to anyone. So they are the one who is waiting for someone to come and talk to them, okay, who can share their heart, who can share their feelings, no matter how good, bad or ugly it is, but they want somebody who can listen to them, who can cherish their talks, who can cherish their communication, who can just speak to them, okay. Okay. Hmm. Now let's see how you see them and how they see you, Capricorns. Okay, and how they see you. So we have 7 of Swords. You see them as somebody who just want to escape from certain place, okay. You see them as somebody who just who is in a rush to move out from a particular zone, particular energy, particular people, circle of people, particular location, particular social circle or friend circle, okay. So you see them as somebody who just want to gather whatever they have in terms of good deeds and karmas, okay. Plus you see them as somebody who is who just want to gather um, I mean who just want to takes some amount of mental peace with themselves, okay, and they just want to move out from certain particular situation, okay. If it is if this escape plan is not for a longer period of time, but yes, you see them as somebody who wish to have a little me time for themselves, okay. They are the one who has lot of responsibilities, lot of responsibilities, okay, within them, I mean on their shoulders, okay, but they also feel that they should have right to spend a spare time, okay. You feel that this person is like overburdened, okay, this person is like over, I mean they have so many responsibilities on their shoulders, but still they feel that they should take a break from this, all these responsibilities or all these energies or all these locations, okay. So they just want to move out from this place for not for always, but yes, for a short period of time, okay. But whatever it is, even though they are successful to escape from this or from this place or not, but their responsibilities are part of their personality now, so they can't leave that, they can't leave that, okay. So you see them as somebody who is really highly responsible person, but in that position also they want some me time, okay. Now your person your person sees you as you are not taking any action. There is something, you are like very stubborn for them. You feel, they feel that you are the person who is very stubborn, even though somebody, if someone comes to talk to you, or if somebody comes to correct you, if somebody wants to talk to you, if somebody wants to give you some kind of a guidance, you just completely ignore them, okay. That big change is yet to happen for you, okay. something needs to break in your life, something needs to demolish in your life. It could be your ego, your stubbornness, your comfort zone, okay, your fear, okay, fear of people, fear of society. That thing needs to be demolished, okay. That's how a person sees you, okay. Your person sees you that something needs to be demolished from this Capricorn life, okay. Their ego should be shattered, their negative emotions should be shattered, their stubbornness should be shattered, okay. So that's how they see you, okay. Now let's see how you feel about them and how they feel about you. Okay. So you feel about them, Capricorn, with this Four of Cups and Two of Pentacles, that they are the one who is working tirelessly. I mean, they are the one who is working 24/7. They are the one who is they are the one who is a big time juggler in their life, okay. They have a lot of responsibilities, as I told you, that they are the one who has a lot of responsibilities on their shoulders, that they have to do a lot of things at the same time. So they are the one who is, who is a real juggler in life, okay. They have so many emotions within themselves, but as I told you that they are the king, so they are not allowed to say those emotions to anyone, okay. So being, I mean, after being into so much of work pressure, or after being into so much of responsibility, sometimes they feel that they should take a nap, okay. So I feel that this person is taking I mean, since they have a lot of responsibilities on their shoulders, this person doesn't have time to see what is coming into their life from universe, or in terms of emotions and affection, okay. This person is working very hard, okay, very very hard, okay. This person is juggling a lot of things all together and at the same time. So when it comes to love and emotion things, they feel that okay, this is not the right time for me to think about it, okay. I have to feed my family, I have a responsibility of my family members, I have to look after them, I have to see what is the correct career path for me, okay. So they are, they are thinking about their financial expansion, okay. So that's why they are juggling a lot of things right now, okay. They must be studying right now, they must be doing jobs right now, they must be trying to establish their own business right now. So they are being very big time juggler, okay. And but I mean, yes, but when it comes to love thing, you feel them, I mean, you see them and they are not seeing what universe is offering them. They have closed their eyes, okay. They are ignoring, not, I won't say that they are ignoring, but they are not aware that universe is offering them something, okay. They are not ignoring. The moment they'll open their eyes, they will definitely going to see these cups, okay. But till the time, they are just completely um you know sitting silent, okay, on the topic of love, on the topic of emotions, on the topic of relationship, okay. On the other hand, your person think about you that you are the somebody who is, who is being the justice, okay. Even though you are not, you must be projecting yourself that hey, I have, I have this much of authority, or I am this, or I am that. As I told you that your person feels about you, Capricorn, that something needs to demolish at your end in your life. It could be your ego, it could be your ego, it could be your negative emotions, it could be your stubbornness. So something needs to demolish in your life, Okay, so you are projecting yourself as somebody who has, win a lottery or win a jackpot. Okay, but that's not the case. You are little scared from inside. Okay, you must not be showing that emotion to a lot of people, but yes, you know what's happening within your life. Okay, or within your heart, within your mind. But your person feels about, I mean, your person feels about you that you are somebody who is, um, who is being who is being uh, judge, who's becoming judge for other people. They feel that you judge people a lot of time. Okay, they feel that you take you just start you I mean, without even thinking, you just start giving your verdicts about any particular situation or about any particular person. Okay. Okay, now let's see how you see this relationship, or what you feel in this relationship, or how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. How they feel in this relationship and how you feel in this relationship. Capricorn, you are not seeing what is coming into your life. Okay, you are busy in your own things, you are busy in your own life. With this star card, I feel that you are being very busy into your own life, into your own mind. Okay, you are not seeing what is your clarity. Okay, you are not seeing what is your highest purpose in life. You are not seeing what is coming into your life. Okay, with this card, I told you that you are the one, you are being the person who is being very fearful about other people's opinion. That's why you feel you are into your own energy. You are not seeing what is coming into your life in terms of relationship and love. Okay, for this relationship, you are completely ignoring it. Okay, you don't even know that this person exist. Okay, you don't even know that this person has something for you. Okay, so when it comes to this relationship, you are completely ignoring, or you must be you are completely ignoring this relationship, or I would say that you are not even should know what is coming into your life. Okay, with the star card, you are just being focused into your own energies. On the other hand, we have page of swords. So your person feels about this relationship that it's okay. I am the one who has a lot of responsibilities on my shoulders. Okay, I am the king, I am the boss. Okay, at this point of time, I can't be in any kind of relationship. At this point of time, I can't be with anyone. Okay, because I have so many responsibilities on my shoulders. Okay, and the moment if somebody comes into my life, I'll definitely cut them out of my life. Okay, so they are being very energetic, they are being very enthusiastic about cutting people out from their life, whatever whoever is coming into their life and offering them some emotions. Okay, they are being very focused towards their own success, towards their own expansion, towards their own financial growth. Okay, so when it comes to relationship, they are not ready to take any action right now. Okay, rather they are ready to cut all the emotional connections right now. Okay, both of you are on the same page. Strange. Okay, now let's see what is going to be the future potential. What's going to be the future potential? What's going to be the future potential? Uh-oh. 10 of Wands and 7 of Wands. In future also, your own emotions are going to make you more depressed and sad. Okay, you'll be feeling overburdened, and that's just because of your own energies. Okay, that's just because of your own fears. Okay, because I'm not seeing that you are taking any action for your freedom. You will be fearful in future as well. You'll be fearful, you'll be thinking about other people's opinion in futures, and that thing is making you really sick and tired. That thing is going to make you really sick and tired in future as well. And yes, with the Seven of Wands, um I feel that it's you who's going to fight with people, or it could also happen that there is this conflict is happening into your own mind and heart. Okay, perhaps your heart says that, oh please, just free yourself from this thing or from this energy, but your mind is saying that no, don't move an inch. Okay, the moment you will move, some disaster will take place, so don't go here and there. Okay, just stay wherever, wherever you are. So a lot of conflict is to going to happen in your life. Okay, Capricorn, with the Seven of Wands, I'm feeling that. So you need to pick one thing. You need to pick one option, either heart, either mind. Either heart or mind. You need to choose one. Okay. Okay. So, Capricorn, I feel that some of you could be dealing with air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Eight of Swords, Seven of Swords, and Page of Swords. Okay, we have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Ten of Wands, Seven of Wands. Some of you could be dealing with Libra with this Justice card. Okay, we have Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this King of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign with this Four of Cups. Okay, some of you could be dealing with Aquarius with the Star card. Okay. Okay. So Capricorn, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.